In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom intent audiences. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Google Ads and how to set up an audience you can use to reach people who are most likely to be interested in what you offer. First, head over to Google Ads and sign into the account you want to work in. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check the top right account selector so you don't build an audience in the wrong place. You'll also want to make sure you have the right permissions to create and edit audiences. Next, click on the Construction, which is the Tools and Settings menu at the top of the page. It's the wrench icon. This menu is where Google Ads keeps most of the advanced configuration options you'll use across campaigns. From there, open Audience Manager. You'll usually find it under the Shared Library section. Audience Manager is the central hub where you create, review, and maintain all your audience segments, including remarketing lists and custom intent style segments. It's also where you can see estimated sizes and whether lists are eligible for use. Now, click the plus button to create a new audience. This starts a fresh audience configuration so you can define who should be included and how long they should stay on the list. Choose website visitors, then type the details, and that's it. Give your audience a clear, descriptive name that tells you who's in it and why it exists, such as the pages or behaviors it's based on. Set the membership duration to match your buying cycle. Shorter windows capture recent intent, while longer windows help if your buyers take more time to decide. Define your rules thoughtfully. For example, you can include visitors of a specific page, set conditions like URL contains a certain path, or focus on high-intent pages like pricing or checkout. You can layer conditions to narrow the list and exclude low-intent pages if needed. Keep an eye on the size estimates to make sure the audience is large enough to serve. If you're new to this, remember that Google Ads requires a tag on your site to track visitors. If the tag isn't installed or verified yet, you may see prompts to finish setup before your list can start populating. Save your audience, and you're done. It will begin filling as eligible users meet your criteria. Once it's ready, you can apply it in your campaigns and ad groups to improve targeting, bid adjustments, or exclusions, helping you focus spend on people who've shown real interest.